cut a hole in all of your cake layers. Grab your uncut red velvet and place it right on top of that frosting. All right, now we're gonna do a layer of our frosting on top of that red velvet. Just a thin layer. It's okay if it pulls up that cake because we are going to put another layer on top of it so you will not see all of that red. Okay, once we have a thin layer right on top, grab a white cake layer and put that right there. Beautiful. Let's put some more frosting right on top. Okay. Now let's add another red velvet layer. We are not using the ones with holes in it yet. Still a full layer. Beautiful. Okay, that looks just about right. Now we're gonna get to the interesting part. Now we're gonna grab that blue layer that we cut the circle out of. Just grab it. I have it on some plastic wrap so that it's easier to grab and it doesn't break. Just be super gentle with this, okay? And we are just going to flip it right on top, just like that. Beautiful. Make sure it's perfectly lined with all those other layers. Ooh, yeah, that's looking gorgeous. All right, and we don't want a big hole in our cake. So I'm gonna grab that white that we cut out and place it right in there just like that. Doesn't that look so cute? Okay, so we're gonna do a layer of frosting, but only on the white part, just like this. So we don't need to put frosting on the blue, and you'll see why when we cut this baby open. This is gonna look so fun, you guys. Okay, that looks perfect. Now let's grab our last layer. All right, so our last layer is gonna be another blue with the circle cut out. So let's go ahead and grab it and do exactly the same we did with the last one. Woo! Flopped right on there. Makes my job easier. Just gotta push it a little bit because it wasn't perfectly centered. Gorgeous. Now let's fill that circle up. We have a piece of red velvet and that's gonna go right there. Smush it in if it doesn't fit perfect. Beautiful. Okay, it is time to frost this cake. All right, let's frost this. Get a lot of frosting on that top. It doesn't need to be perfect because I have something to cover up any imperfections. So just kind of slide it out. See like how it's getting some crumbs in there? It's totally fine because we are gonna make sure that it is beautiful by the end of this. Okay. So like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect as long as it's fully covered. Now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my cake, the whole cake, onto a sheet pan so we can prevent some messes with what we're about to do. Careful, this thing is heavy. Okay, so what I have here is 1.5 pounds of patriotic sprinkles. I got these on Amazon and we are just gonna go ham. Okay, and just spread those out. I probably needed a bigger sheet pan because this thing is not helping. But the idea of the sheet pan is that it will collect any sprinkles that are falling off. But we want this whole thing to be covered in sprinkles. The top is just the start. We want the sides to be covered as well. All right, so now how we do the sides is kind of grab your hand right here for the sprinkles and then just bring it up. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Mine are obviously clean, just like that. See how easy that was? Let's finish this cake up. Oh yeah, this is turning out so cute. One little spot right here, and then I think we're done. with the sprinkles. Okay, beautiful. Now to get that platter clean, just scrape those sprinkles right into your sheet pan, just like this, carefully. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now I want a nice little border around the bottom of the cake just to clean up any of my little mistakes. So I have some white frosting in a piping tip, and we are just gonna go ahead and start a nice border right on the bottom. All right, it is time to cut into this baby and reveal our beautiful inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, get this right underneath. And there we go, American flag cake. How fun is that? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. See the blue and then the red and white stripes. So easy to make. You just had to cut a few circles, that's it. And now we have the perfect cake for 4th of July. And I just use cake box mix.